Hey, we're back with another video with Don Mom's Kitchen. Today he's going to be teaching us how to make his spaghetti. His son requested that he wanted spaghetti, so he's going to show you how he makes his spaghetti for his son.
First, my water is on boiling for this spaghetti, so I put a little salt, tablespoon of salt, a little olive oil in the water. Then I have my pat for the meat. I'm using turkey meat, so I put a little oil in the pat. So now I'm putting my meat in.
And you don't have to use turkey meat. You can use ground beef.
You can use ground beef or prefer turkey. Then I'm putting my season. Tablespoon of accent. 1.5 tablespoons of seasoned salt. That's all going in meat. I'm going to cook it off. Tablespoon of garlic powder. It's all going in meat. Tablespoon of garlic powder. And now we got to keep and stir the meat till it finish.
And some people like chopped onions and chopped peppers, but he doesn't like it, so we're not going to put it in here. We're making it the way he likes it. And one thing he does like is hot dogs in his spaghetti.
Yes, I'm cooking some beef hot dogs.
Okay, now he's cooking the turkey meat, but he will be right back as soon as he finishes the turkey meat. Now we finished cooking the meat, the turkey meat. He also put in 6 hot dogs cut up with the turkey meat. Now he's about to boil the noodles.
But make sure first you got to make your water boil. You can't put in cold water. Your water got to boil all the way. Not hot water, boiled water. So now I'm putting my noodles and break them in half.
He likes them broken up. Some people like it whole. It's whatever you like, whatever your preference. Spaghetti is super
Best
easy.
thing is to break them in half, though. There's that much space to stir them. Break them in half. That's that. Then you got to keep on turning. You keep and stir it because you don't want it to stick together. So you got to pay attention. Keep and stir it.
So did you tell him how much meat did you use?
I use a pound and a half of turkey meat, 6 beef hot dog, and a pound and a half of spaghetti. So now I'm boiling the spaghetti. You got to keep on turning. You got to keep your eyes in it. Otherwise, it's going to stick all together.
How long does it take for the spaghetti to cook?
I must say about 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. But you got to keep on turning, otherwise it's going to stick all together.
Okay, guys, we'll be back as soon as that finishes. Now we back. The noodles are all cooked. He poured the water off of them.
Then you got to run cold water over it. Cool it down a little bit. That's it don't stick together. And now that's just done. It's all in the pot. Now I'm about to put all my meat in. This is my turkey ground beef and hot dog. So now I'm gonna mix it all together. The turkey meat don't carry no grease, so you ain't gotta worry about draining it off. It's no grease.
Now, some people like to put their spaghetti separate and then put the sauce and stuff on top of it.
Yes.
But we like to mix everything together. That's the way we like it.
So now I'm gonna start to mix it all together before I put the sauce.
But you can serve it the way you want, or you can mix it the way you
You can
want.
put the sauce on top of it if you want it, but we mix it all together. So what's the sauce you're using there?
The sauce that you're using is Prego.
Prego marinara sauce.
Italian sausage and
Italian
garlic. And there's so many sauces out there. They can use ragu.
I
They
like
can
this one better. So I put 2 jar in it, 2.5 jar. And 1.5 pounds of spaghetti. So now I'm gonna whip it all together. And you wanna put a little bit of sugar in there, get a little bit of flavor. You could put a little bit of sugar. Put a teaspoon of sugar. You want some sugar in it?
Yes, I think you like the sugar in it a little
I
bit.
put a teaspoon of sugar. And you got to make sure you mix it all together. Mix it real good. Some more sauce. This is an easy, quick meal. In at least 45 minutes, everything should be done.
So we'll be back once
back.
everything is done.
You gonna say? Okay, this is Diamond Kitchen spaghetti. That's all done. Let's get ready to eat. So I just put it in the plate, top it with a little mozzarella cheese on top. If you like the cheese, if you don't, you don't have to. So I top it off with a little mozzarella cheese. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.